Burgo Rippy here over in Plain City Thursday evening at their car show. There's a pickup truck. I decided since Pippi Peterson wasn't going to premiere that I'm aware of this evening, I would come over here and try to find something and learn. That's a nice paint job on that little barn there. I seen one of these for sale, but all of them have flat tires on them, and I needed the tires to hold air. My friend said they sold those at Costco, but the tires are 30 bucks a piece at the store, and the one I'm seeing for sale is for $20. But I need the tires to hold air, and Pippi Peterson has big changes coming to her channel. She's been saying for 2 weeks. I'm gonna go ahead and take a stab at it. I shouldn't, but I think she's gonna move home to like a Sticks and Bricks, I'm thinking, and it's like 3,000 miles away from here and where her folks are at. And the footage she's been showing out in Nevada, that was like 3-4 months ago, and at least maybe even 7 months ago. And she says there's big changes, so we've been waiting for 2 weeks to see what those changes are. I hope she knows what she's doing. Very smart lady. I love Pippi Peterson. I see e-bears, e-bears. YouTubers come and go. Remember Kitchen with Betty? She hasn't posted a video in a year. She has 40 million views. I'm guessing it's a 71, yes. The 71 Westfala, like new, in every way. A speedboat over here, and that's why I'm here today. They just have different stuff every week. I'm not gonna guess at how many more car shows we're gonna be doing. Just a very sexy Dodge truck, and we saw more trucks the other day. So it says it's a 46 Dodge. That looks like a car we saw for sale over here. The Power Wagon Dodge. Thing's ready to do battle, isn't it? Like new truck. But this is what, if you have any magazines from the 60s out at Lake Havasu, this is what the guys are racing in California back in the 60s. And he doesn't even have exhaust manifolds on this guy yet. It looks like a Chrysler engine. It's a project in the making. And it has offset carburetors, full barrel, Mickey Thompson style. Has a little bit of documentation there with it, with Fuelie, and it shows the boat being wrecked, just taking flight. Does it get any sexier than this, guys? Checking my battery. Yes. Still having some issues. Oh, I thought that was a friend of mine. They have that handlebar mustache. Must be popular. Beautiful dog. Has his nose going. Harley's at home. Really liking that for a Chrysler product. Liking the lines on that. That's kind of like a Dukes of Hazzard style, but in a Dodge instead of a Plymouth. And there's the chartreuse snowshoe white and tropical rose Crown Vic. There's I ought to talk to that guy, but we're just here at the last minute. Check out this panel thing, man. For General Motors product. It's like the Chevy Handyman, maybe even a GMC. Very sick, and for sale too. So El Cinco. So the one owner car guy would be this guy. California truck. We're thinking 63 GMC Suburban, valued at, not saying right away. Yeah, some of these paint jobs are just phenomenal. And here again is the older decals, kind of inspired. How sick's this? Oh yeah. Looking forward to Auburn on Labor Day weekend. We'll talk about that some. RM Sotheby's even has the air conditioning, guys. Wow. And the Ford, kind of like what I have, he's got some wild looking wheels on there. Heck of a nice crowd here right now. It's going on 7 o'clock. The 312. A Pontiac. And then the hood mascot would light up at night. When you turn the headlight on, there's a light in there that comes on. Looks a lot like Crazy Horse. Just so many things to talk about. Just one of these cars you could talk about for a while. There's a couple unique cars in here, one-offs. Now, you know that's okay, it's a 63. I was going to say 64, but they were just all trying to outdo each other on the back end of the car. Big, thick back bumpers, and windows, rear windows, they tinkered with. Cute little Falcon and Robin's egg blue. Is that the same dog? I think it is. No, she's got a dog like that other dog. Okay, the short bed Chevy in metallic gunmetal gray. A Jaguar. I noticed this Celica when I came in. I want to walk around it. I'm pretty sure these were built in California there at Gilroy where that shooting was at, and it was called the Itsu plant or something. Joint venture between GM and Toyota. A Supra, I'm sorry.
Yeah, and 100 they give you money.
So not sure on my Toyotas, but check it out, the T-top. And they will bug you if you have one of these to sell it. The kids.
It's 7 o'clock. In about 30 minutes, we're going to do the door prize drawing. So if you haven't
registered in the state of New York currently.
We'd like to have everybody have a ticket. So we'll give door prizes out. We've got some neat prizes. So
the Gimu, and then in Gilroy too. One of them big dog motorcycles went out there. So this one actually has an automatic transmission. The beautiful Corvette with her signature dash. The Der Dutchman, they're adding on to their bakery, building a new bakery basically, and they constantly build new. They're always adding on. And so they like their Corvettes in Plain City, Ohio. We're at the Thursday night car show, just not even a fraction of it. It's probably, it's bigger every time I come here. Thank you for watching my videos, everyone. Bogart Rippy here.